What's going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on a base model GR Supra. We're installing an APEXi N1X Evolution Extreme exhaust system. It is a very cool design. So it starts off at a 3-inch and then it wides and goes all the way back to two specifically designed mufflers. So on the side that's always open, you have a little bit larger muffler to keep down the drone and to keep down the sound. And then on the side with the butterfly and the valve, you have a smaller muffler. So when you open the valve, it just gives you all that extra sound. APEXi states this is an internal hybrid silencer uniting power and free-flowing characteristics. The tips are made out of a lightweight titanium that are rolled and riveted, which actually acts as a diffuser to dissipate heat. And these titanium tips are 123 millimeters. It actually has these cool braces that are laser cut with the APEXi logo. It comes with all the hardware. Yes, it does have the valve like the stock exhaust, so you can open and close it the same way when you engage or deactivate sport mode. It does come with all the instructions you need to install them on the car. I'm not going to go into crazy detail installing this and showing you guys how, but I will give you a couple tips along the way. Other than that, stay till the end. We're going to go ahead and give you a full sound clip on this and a decibel reading. Let's get into it. So the quick run through on what you need to do is you got to remove this bolt, you got to loosen this clamp, and then down here you need to take this brace off. So there's all these bolts and then there's two more down at the end. I'll show you later. And the best thing you can do is go ahead and wiggle this until it comes off and leave it all attached. So just make sure this is off and you should be able to wiggle it until it removes itself from the downpipe. To take this exhaust out, you're gonna need help. And when you're putting this back on, go ahead and put the clamps in place, get the nuts on, but not tight. Just kind of get them set on there. So that way you can shift this and get this exactly where you need it. One thing I wanted to show is that you should never tighten these very tight. Just get them barely snug. You will snap the inside if not. And then the same with these right here, just go very nice and easy on them. And then this is an E16. And if you really want to know how to remove this under brace, there is a video linked up in the corner. right, guys. So what'd you think? It sounds really low and has a really nice tone to it. So the car is completely stock. It just has that exhaust on it. The customer probably will do a downpipe pretty soon. So you should be seeing a video shortly or sometime in the near future on that. Other than that, hit the like button, subscribe, ring the bell, and make sure you check out a couple of our other videos at the end of this one. I'll see you on the next video.